still our top pick for all the reasons that were just mentioned. But there's a lot to like about this stock. Just beginning first production of the Cybertruck. You look at the reservation count on that model; it's multiple times any other forthcoming EV. And the company's sheer size in terms of market cap give it a lot of advantages in terms of cost of capital over the rest of the industry. Remember, they're the largest company in the industry in terms of market cap. They're not nearly the largest in terms of their annual volumes. But we think, the stock will grow into its valuation here in the coming years. So that is our top pick.
Following the recent drop in Tesla's stock price, several analysts have reiterated their claim that the stock is overvalued. Tesla's stock went on a massive rally in the last months, thrilling investors and analysts alike. But the momentum has reduced in recent days, and some investors may have even panicked because of this. But before we jump into the next selling opportunity for Tesla shares, it's important that investors do not forget Tesla's history. This isn't the first time the company's stock price has dropped after a massive rally, and over the years, Tesla has demonstrated its ability to rebound from downturns and reach new heights. But let's even say Tesla stock takes a while before having a rebound, and it's not able to hit $300 this month. Is this a solid reason to let go of the stock? In this video, we're going to go through the topic that has been on the minds of several Tesla investors. One that talks about why it doesn't really matter whether Tesla's stock price is currently dropping. Now, we know this topic might sound counterintuitive, but it also is essential for maintaining a steady course in the world of Tesla investing. So let's get on with it.
The survey annually since 2019. We took 2020 off because of the pandemic, but we've always seen the top three concerns, and those are in order: price, concerns about range, and then where people are going to charge them. However, the number of people concerned about price is decreasing. That is becoming less of a concern in the years we've been doing this survey. It dropped from, it was 42% of respondents this year said that was a concern. Last year was 49%, and that's just in a year. So we are definitely seeing that ease considerably and in a nice timeline.
On the pricing, how much of that ease has to do with the incentives that have taken shape? And we talk a lot about the federal incentives, roughly $7,500 for new cars. But you add the state incentives, depending on where you live, that's got to really slash the price of an EV right off the top, right?
It can, and it certainly makes it certainly more attractive. I will say it's a bit of a mixed bag right now. The Inflation Reduction Act changed which vehicles were eligible for the full federal tax rebate. And so some vehicles are now on that list that were not previously, but it also took some other brands off. And it sort of depended on sort of twofold, where the vehicle was manufactured and where the battery is sourcing its materials. So I know Hyundai and Kia are out with a great lineup of plug-in hybrid and then fully electric vehicles. Most of those vehicles are now ineligible for the short term if you buy it. There is some loopholes there for leasing. But so there was, it was a mixed bag as far as which vehicles became more affordable. But yeah, certainly, I'm from California. You could take, if you're eligible in terms of your income and the vehicle is eligible, it can knock $10,000 off the price of one of these EVs. And that's pretty significant.
In a previous interview between Tesla's CEO Elon Musk and longtime Tesla bull Ron Barron, Musk cited several reasons why Tesla may be on the path to becoming a very huge company in the future. In fact, Elon Musk claimed that Tesla is the best at auto manufacturing and is leading the goal of autonomy. In the interview, Ron Barron shared the same thought with Elon Musk, adding that Tesla may in the future be the world's best car maker, one that has never been seen before. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla, like every other stock, is not immune to the volatility of the stock market, and so it is only expected to find some irregularities in the stock price. Likewise, even though Tesla bulls and investors desire for the stock to continue on an upward trend, this may not always be the case. But it does not, however, mean that there is something to be worried about. It is clear that Tesla still dominates the EV market, and based on its innovations, it is well poised to continue leading the industry. While there might be market challenges along the way, we know Tesla is prepared for what is to come. Why do we think this? Well, we're going to get into that in a moment, but before we do, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Think of it from an EV standpoint. Tesla's role in the EV revolution cannot be overstated. In fact, its innovative approach from its cutting-edge technology to its charismatic CEO Elon Musk has driven excitement and demand for EVs like never before. As more electric vehicles hit the road and gain visibility, customer perceptions are shifting, and EVs are no longer seen as compromises but as high-performance, technologically advanced, and desirable vehicles. We're currently in a transition period where the automotive landscape is evolving. Some major cities and even entire countries are announcing plans to ban the sale of new ICE vehicles within the next decade or two, accelerating the shift towards electric mobility. This is a pretty big deal for Tesla. Before we delve further into the nitty-gritty of why you should remain bullish on Tesla, let's remind ourselves of a fundamental truth about the stock market. It's dynamic and often unpredictable. Tesla, like any other stock, can experience both upward and downward surges and dips. What's important to remember is that the short-term fluctuations don't always reflect the company's long-term potential, and this is the absolute truth when it comes to Tesla. Tesla's journey is a marathon, not a sprint. The company's focus isn't just on its quarterly results, but on pioneering revolutionary technologies like FSD and reshaping entire industries. Tesla's commitment to innovation and sustainable energy solutions underscores its long-term vision. So rather than fixating on day-to-day price changes, why not shift your gaze to the company's fundamentals? Tesla's growth, market share, and expansion plans speak volumes about its future prospects. And so a temporary drop might just be a blip in the grand scheme of things. That's why you should be doing this instead. Take advantage of the price. Market downturns can actually represent unique buying opportunities. Think of it like a sale on Tesla stock. For long-term investors, these dips can offer a chance to acquire more shares at a lower price, potentially reshaping significant benefits when the stock bounces back. No doubt, emotions often run high when it comes to investments, but fear and panic during price drops can lead to hasty decisions. Instead, try to stay informed, trust your research, and also maintain a rational perspective in order to prevent impulsive actions that might not align with your long-term investment goals. Based on analyst insights, now is the time for seasoned investors to remember that long-term fluctuations aren't indicative of a company's true potential. In fact, investors are urged to consider broader trends, industry landscape, and Tesla's unique positioning. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized that his focus is on Tesla's mission rather than its stock price. He believes that the company will keep on achieving its goals, and if it does, then the stock price will eventually reflect its success sooner or later. Now, Tesla's money-making season won't probably come from just making and selling cars. It could be from the technologies where Tesla is basically untouchable by its auto peers, at least for now and in the foreseeable future. Musk describes this as being the biggest single step change in asset value history, and this is a big revolution, and it could be huge. While seeing the stock price can be unnerving, remember that it's just a bigger part of the investment journey. Tesla's transformative technologies, revolutionary and visionary leadership, and commitment to a sustainable future remain unchanged. Although short-term price fluctuations may make headlines, Tesla's long-term impact is what truly matters. What do you think? Let us know down below. And if you found this video helpful and insightful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow investors, and of course, subscribe to keep up to date on all things Tesla in the ever-evolving landscape and the world of investing. For more exciting updates on Tesla, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.